हाँ हो गया.
So here, this is the anterior fold of the cerebral hemisphere, and this one is a posterior fold of the cerebral hemisphere. So anterior fold of the cerebral hemisphere, and this means the corpus callosum, and it is situated and 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters from the anterior fold to the up to the corpus callosum, and this posterior fold, and it is a 6 centimeters from the posterior fold of the cerebral hemisphere. So in this, what happens, the superior relations, and there is this gray matter is there, and this gray matter, and it covers the superior surface of the corpus callosum, and it is called by the indusium gracium, and further superior to this, and here there is the callosal sulcus is there, callosal sulcus, and superior to this, and there is a anterior cerebral artery is there. So anterior cerebral artery, and further superiorly, and there is this cingulate gyrus is there, superior to that. So that is in the superior relation, and in the inferiorly, and this inferior surface is a concave, and this concave surface, it forms the roof of the lateral ventricle. So this one is it has given in a in green color, and that is a lateral ventricle. So this lateral ventricle, it is present in the right cerebral hemisphere, and also it is present in the left cerebral hemisphere. So the right cerebral hemisphere lateral ventricle and the left cerebral ventricle, the lateral ventricle is separated by the septum pellucidum. So septum pellucidum, it has 2 ends, and this one is the superior end, and the superior end is attached to the inferior surface of the corpus callosum. The inferior end of this septum pellucidum, that is attached to the fornix on the convex surface of the superior convex surface of the fornix, and this, it separates the 2 things. So, and right side left lateral ventricle from the left side lateral ventricle. Suppose here this one is there, and it is in the mid section, and in the coronal section what happens, and this one is this one, it is fibers of the corpus callosum. These are the fibers of the corpus callosum. In the superiorly, here this gray matter is there. It is called by the indusium gracium. So, and this gray matter, it is situated on superiorly here, and this is the indusium gracium. It is called by the indusium gracium. So here there is a stria is there on the outer surface, and superiorly there is a stria is there, and here, and there is and another one here. And this region, and there is this anterior cerebral arteries are there. These are the anterior cerebral artery. So inferior to this one, and at this region, and there is a septum pellucidum is there. This one is called by the septum pellucidum. This is the septum pellucidum. So this septum pellucidum, it separates the right lateral ventricle. Say lateral ventricle. From the left lateral ventricle. This one is a left lateral ventricle. This is a right lateral ventricle, right side, and this is a lateral ventricle in the left side. And this it is separated by this septum pellucidum. Septum pellucidum. So here you see, and this one is it is given in the red lines, that is the septum pellucidum. So this septum pellucidum, it is present in between the right and left lateral ventricles, and it separates the right side lateral ventricle with the left lateral ventricle. And superior to this, and it is a gray matter, and it is called by the indusium gracium. This one is a indusium gracium. And further superiorly, there is a anterior cerebral arteries are there. There is a right anterior cerebral artery and the left anterior cerebral artery. So here what happens? This one is a median fissure of the right cerebral hemisphere, and it is a lateral fissure, and the median fissure it is present in between the right and left cerebral hemispheres. So here this one is a so here what happens in this region, and there is a this one, and here, and there is a falx cerebri. It is a fold of the dura mater, and it separates the right cerebral hemisphere, medial surface of the right cerebral hemisphere from the medial surface of the left cerebral hemisphere. It hangs on the superior surface of the corpus callosum. Corpus callosum fibers, they are moving from right to left or left to right. On the superior surface, and there is a, and in the coronal section, in the superior surface, and there is a gray matter is there, and superior to the gray matter, and here there is a right side, there is a right cerebral artery, and anterior cerebral artery. These are the anterior cerebral arteries. Right side, right anterior cerebral artery, and the left side there is a left anterior cerebral artery. And in between these two, in between the right and left cerebral hemispheres, and there is a falx cerebri. It is a fold of the dura mater. It hangs on the superior surface of the corpus callosum. So here what happens, and this one it ascends upwards in the split-end portion, and this split-end portion here there is a superior sagittal. There is a superior sagittal vein is there. Superior sagittal sinus. This one is a superior sagittal sinus. It's a superior sagittal sinus. Superior sagittal sinus. The superior sagittal sinus, and very close to the superior sagittal sulcus. And the superior sagittal sulcus, what is the location of the superior sagittal sulcus? So superior sagittal sulcus in the inner surface, in the median plane of the inner surface of the parietal bone, and there is an anterior-posteriorly extending this superior sagittal sulcus. And the superior sagittal sulcus, it has the right margin and the left margin. And the right and left margins are attached by this falx cerebri split-end part. This one is a falx cerebri. This one is called by the falx cerebri. So falx cerebri, it is a fold of the dura mater. So this falx cerebri, it has two ends. This is the inferior end. It floats on the anterior surface, superior surface of the corpus callosum. But in the superior end, that is attached to the margins of the sagittal sulcus. And in between the split-end part and there is a sinus is there. This is called by the superior sagittal sinus. And these things we may see in the coronal section. Once again, and here this is the septum pellucidum. The septum pellucidum will separate the right lateral ventricle from the left lateral ventricle, and it is septum pellucidum is present in between the right and left lateral ventricles. And superiorly here, and there is a horizontally extending, and the fibers these are called by the corpus callosum. And superior to this, and there is a gray matter is there, and that is called by the indusium gracium. And the superior to this, and here, and there is an anterior cerebral artery. This is a right hemisphere, this one is a left cerebral hemisphere. In between the right and the left cerebral hemisphere, in the middle, and there is a median longitudinal sulcus is there. And this median in between the right and left cerebral hemisphere, in the median longitudinal sulcus, and there is this fax cerebri is there. Fax cerebri has two ends, and this one is a inferior end. It floats on the superior surface of the this corpus callosum, and the upper end, it is split end portion. It is attached to the margins of the sagittal sulcus, and in between split end portion, and there is a superior sagittal sinus is there, and this is concerned about the sagittal section of the